ang name po ng platform namin ay Encourage Grace. Because we encourage grace ay magiging light po sa world. And then, let's spread the light in all we do, in all we act. Ang gagawin po namin is ipapakita po namin yung kindness bright. And alam naman po natin na this light po, ito po kami nagsisymbolize ng light dito sa world. Kahit ang daming po hindrances or distractions sa paligid, these hands po, magtutulong-tulong po kami in teamwork para po maging unity in spirit and of course, hindi po magpapasway sa world. And also encourages kami po yung meron po kami teamwork and andito po nakapaloob yung comfort na meron pagmamahal, pagiging sa bawat isa and also the support to each other. So, ayun po. Encourage Grace, where are you?
Here we are!
Hindi ko kayo marinig. Handa na ba kayo?
Lagi na kami!
5, 6, 7, 8. Andito na kami. We are ready. Hey! We are ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. Encourage Grace. Let's spread the light. 5, 6, 7, 8. Encourage Grace. Let's spread the light. Together strong, control our might. Every act and every do. Encourage Grace, we'll see it through. Encourage Grace. Let's let them up. We guide the star to touch the sky. In unity, our spirits are displayed. Encourage Grace, we won't be stayed. 5, 6, 7, 8. Encourage Grace. Praise the Lord. Encourage Grace. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Oh my soul.